Here is the Honda Ridgeline. Let's get started. This child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front door. So let's get started with the rear left door. Let's just unlock the car first. Open this door, and right over there you'll find a small switch. That's it right there. All you have to do is just push the switch down to activate the feature, and now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, if I get on the inside and close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I will not be able to open the door. So how am I going to get out? I'm just going to slide onto the other side, open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature here yet. So open this left side door again from the outside. Let's just look at the switch, push it up again now to deactivate it, and that's it. Now it's deactivated. Let's just open it from outside like normal, and on the inside, lock position, I cannot open, unlock, I can open, and that's good. Let's repeat this process for the right side door. Open this door, same switch, same process, same everything. Push it down to activate. I can still open it from outside. However, on the inside, lock, unlock, cannot open. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors because you don't want the child to just slide onto the other side and get out and cause any issues. Open the right side door from outside. Just push that switch up to deactivate the feature. I can still open it from outside as normal. Lock cannot open, unlock, I can open, and that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.